Welcome. If you want to customize keyboard theme with the picture on your HUAWEI P20 Lite, let's go for the settings. After that, just scroll down, tap on the system, go for the language and input, select your default keyboard, and after that just go for the themes, go right here for the custom, click start, add the image that you want to set up as your theme, accept the permission. Okay, and I'm going to take maybe this one, and here we can set up the background darkness or the transparency. We can also set up the place from the picture that you want to take. So I think that I'm going to get this one, then click done. As you can see, that's how our theme looks right now. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.